Scout with 802 Outdoor Adventures here. Back on the river with Rick, Dylan, that's Rick's son, Robbie, and Nick's here. I don't know who else is going to show up. Dylan, I thought Dylan from Lost Gold Expeditions was going to be here, but I don't see him yet. Anyway, we're going to dig some gold today. They got a hole going, and I'm going to jump in it. So I'm all set up. I got the big reaper today, the 3-footer, and we are going to move some material. There's some big rocks in the bottom of their hole. Maybe Nick and I can get in there and move some stuff around, give us some more real estate. But we'll see what we see. Hopefully I'll be back to show you some gold. Colors, we have some color. Actually, a fair amount of little stuff in that one bigger piece, but we have color. I really do like feeding this big box. You just shovel into it. Eats every bit of it fast. Alright, I'm going to do another bucket or two and we'll clean that out. But yeah, that's looking good. Got some promise going there. Oh, look at that. Got a piece of gold there. I love it. Anything else you seen yet, or?
You got more in there? All right.
I got one in the sucker bottle here.
Oh, nice.
Size, a little smaller than that.
I already did all mine. Mine's in the sucker bottle. I got 6 or 7 pieces.
Quite a bit to go.
One decent one and a bunch of smalls.
All right. Yeah, we're finding some gold today.
Back that up and see what else is in there.
Well, if you get something decent, shout out. I'm gonna go see and I'm gonna go spy in Nick's gold trap down here. We're coming down to spy in your gold trap, Nick.
Oh yeah.
If I don't fall down.
Yeah, you'll see that fine stuff.
Oh yeah, I see it right along in here. Got this thing singing. This is the bigger Green Mountain gold trap. I don't know what Joe calls these. I think the one I have is a pay streak finder. Nick's got the bigger one. These bigger ones, man, they eat some material. I love it. Let's go check out mine again. I just ran another bucket through. Oh, look at all the yeller in there. I think I'm going to do one more before I do a clean out. We'll be back. There's Rick doing one of his buckets. Robbie's doing a clean out. Nick's continuing on with the gold trap, and I just did a clean out. Oh, looky there. 3 buckets, not bad. Nothing huge, but hey, it's yeller in the pan, and that's more gold than I've seen in a month, so I'm tickled with that. I will take that all day. and hopefully we can keep doing it. So I'm set back up over here. I don't have a snuffer bottle on this side of the brook, so I'm just gonna put these cons off into a separate container, and I think I'm gonna dry them out when I get home. And I'm gonna use, I bought another one of those dry sand separators from Mining Magnets, Coulter Young. I haven't tried it yet, so I can't wait to try that out. All right, let's get this off and let's keep going. That's where we're digging, right over there. Got some big rocks in there. Big rocks, big gold, right? Haven't seen it yet, but hopefully. All right, I'm gonna cross the stream and not fall in, and I'll catch you in a bit. He's got some nice stuff. Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful. He hasn't even gotten into it yet, I don't think.
Yeah, there's quite a few pieces in here actually.
There's some little stuff poking out here.
Little pieces all over.
Oh, yeah.
Some more. Yeah, it was good 2 buckets.
Sweet. Look at that piece just sitting up there.
Yeah, that one wants to stay.
That one's awesome.
Little poker.
Little poker.
Little flatty.
Yeah, nice. All right. Pieces of the day right there so far. First bucket, we're going to do a riffle check. Well, there is gold in there, trust me. I don't see it through the camera, but maybe it's coming through. There's some tiny pieces in there. Most of that came towards the center, so I think I'm going to work this way and do another bucket and give it a check again. Lots of big rocks. It's getting hard to dig down that deep. We'll keep going. You done for the day?
Yeah.
Nick is done, and we're going to see what he got for the day here. Oh, there's a nice little piece.
Yep, that's the biggest piece, I think.
Oh, look at it all.
Yep.
There's a lot of gold in there.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at it all. Look at that. Wow.
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's awesome. Darn good day right there.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome day.
Okay, I moved a big rock in there, and I think it's paying off. I got a couple of nice pieces in there. Here comes Rick. He wants to check it out too.
Yeah.
I don't blame him.
Oh, wow.
Let her rip.
Let it rip, yeah.
I got to get another bucket out of there.
Good job.
I got that big, I don't know, that blue-gray rock moved over, and I got the digging under it. Not bad. I'm going to take another bucket out of there. Then we'll do a cleanup. Alright, this is the last pan, but I'm just going to do this kind of quick. Look at that. Wow. Got some chunky stuff too. I might have a weighable day today. Some stuff washed back in. I'm pretty sure I lost a piece. I may go over there and take a scoop out of my black sand. Not bad. Can't wait to get home, dry this out, and process it. Can you see that from there? I washed some of that down too. All right. Well, we're in the parking lot, and that was Rick's day.
No, that was Dylan's day.
Oh, Dylan's day. Not bad.
I hope you got as much as that at least.
Good to see the yeller.
I don't think I did, Dylan.
And Rick's day. Very good. Lots of little finds in there. A lot of fly poopies. Good to see. Yep, perfect.
Not bad.
Beautiful. Well, part of the process here, I got all my gold on the miller table. It's set up pretty flat, so I'm going to have to brush it. But it's looking pretty good. There's a lot of little flakes in that. We had a good day, so I can't wait to get this cleaned up and weighed. I think it's going to be weighable, so we're going to try it. We'll be back.